new album from Calvin Harris, a Funk Wave Bounces Volume 2. It contains the songs from the singles from Potion of Dua Lipa and Young Thug, Stay With Me, with Justin Timberlake and Halsey and Pharrell Williams. And the front cover shows amazing, like the tropical island with some house on it. Spine, back. And you open it up, and actually, look at this. This is a nice disc. Look at that. If you take the disc out, here, Calvin Harris, straight to the front. I love that picture, by the way. And that's how you reveal the unboxing of Calvin Harris's Funk Wave Bounces Volume 2.